everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing things from Lunar Beauty, testing things, trying out things, you know what I mean. I've never tried their brand. I'm super excited. You guys know Manny here on YouTube. He's had his brand for a while now and I've just never picked up anything. So I did get two lip glosses and 2 liquid lips and his Strawberry Dream palette. You guys, the packaging is so cute and beautiful, so I'm super excited to get into these. Before we get into these goodies though, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a video, or as often as you'd like. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the palette and the packaging on the palette, and then I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in so we can get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. You have like the little stars with like a little bit of a metallic piece in it. The lip glosses have the same kind of packaging. This lip gloss is from a different collection, but Rockristy Beauty here on YouTube loves this lip gloss, so I had to pick it up to try it out. And the front of the palette looks like this. I don't know if you could tell, but this moon is raised up. The eyeshadows look like this. Super cute, and you get a good size mirror in here as well. Okay guys, so you're nice and zoomed in. So we're going to go in with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot. I got it in the color Soft Ochre. So to apply this, I'm just going to use this Wet n Wild brush. It's just a flat brush. And then I'm going to go in here, load up my brush, and we're just going to prime. Okay, so we are all nice and primed. I do love this primer. Let's see how it wears, but I have a feeling this is going to be my new primer. I'm going to go in with the color Skyline, which is this one. That's going to be my transition shade. And yeah guys, let's get into it. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M504. Oh my gosh, that's like really pigmented. I wasn't expecting that to be that pigmented. I thought it was going to be super soft actually. Okay, so now that we have that in our transition, now we're going to go in with the color Pink Flash. That on, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Strawberry Moon, which is this color right here, and I'm just going to like lightly put it on the outer corner. What I want to do is keep this nice bright and pink, but then on the bottom I kind of want to smoke it out with that Strawberry Moon color, like make it nice and dark, but I do just want to dab in just a little bit so it kind of like ties together on the outer corners. So just kind of deepening that up just a little bit. So once we have that done, I'm just going to go back in with my primer and we are just going to cut the crease. So I feel like this is a little too dry to cut my crease with it, so I'm going to just go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and whoa, just got that everywhere. And I really just want to cut like half the crease, like we're going to half moon this. Okay, so now to fill in that little piece that we just cut the crease, we're going to go in with Blue Diamond, which is the white color right here. It's like a white glittery color. Let me see if I could swatch it for you guys. Ooh, it's like a iridescent kind of. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, going in, I'm not wetting my brush or anything like that, just going in with it dry, and then we'll see if we need to wet it or anything like that. Okay, so once you have that on, definitely gave me a little bit of fallout. I'm going to go back in and clean a little bit more. You just have to be really careful because it did kind of like chunk out. If you kind of press it back in, it will press back in. I don't know if there's like a better way to apply these. Honestly, I didn't do research. I don't mind it. It's a beautiful shade. It just is a little chunky. So once I have that nice and blended, I think I am going to go in and just deepen it up just a little bit more with that Strawberry Moon color. Just right in here. And then we're going to put a little dash of Storm Cloud, which is this one right here. Again, just taking that same blending brush and just giving it a little depth. Nothing too crazy. So we are looking like that. I don't know if I'll do anything else to it, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye, finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back so we could do the bottom waterline. If I do anything else, I will let you know. But for now, I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other eye. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back really quick. I just want to fill in a little bit of this little space with a little bit of that dark shimmer shade that's in there. Before we go in and do that though, I do have a giveaway for you guys. I'm super excited, so hopefully you can't see my mirror here. But let's get into it. I have quite a bit of goodies today for the giveaway. So to start off with, we're going to start off with the lip products in this giveaway. So the first product I have is this Wet n Wild lip gloss. It is so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like an iridescent lip gloss. And then I also do have 3 lip liners, and the colors look like this. Then I also have a Wet n Wild blush. You guys, I actually really do love their blushes. A couple of brushes. You have a blending brush, a fan brush. And up next, I have a palette for you guys. This one is the Wet n Wild 32 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. And it looks like this, you guys. It has a bunch of different shimmer shades, matte shades, colorful shades, neutral shades. It's one of those palettes that has a little bit of everything. So that's why I picked that up. So up next, I am giving away one of the Beauty Glazed 48 eyeshadow palettes. Of course, yours will be new. That was just mine to show you the inside. So the lucky winner will also get that. I also am throwing in just another new blending brush. And then we have Stila glitters. These are little mini Stila glitters. That way you guys could give them a try. These come in the color Diamond Dust and Kitten Karma. So those are super cute. So up next we have this Ulta Beauty lip bundle kit thing. It has 4 shimmery glosses. It has 4 matte liquid lipsticks. It has 4 plumping top coats, and it has 4 shiny liquid lipsticks. So you have like the matte liquid lipstick and then like a regular lipstick just like in a tube. So 4 different formulas in this pack. The whole pack going to one lucky winner. But yeah guys, that is everything in the giveaway. I hope you're excited. I'm super excited to try out the lip situation. I picked up a box for myself. But in order to enter the giveaway, you must live in the US, you must be subscribed to my channel, and comment down below your favorite challenge, or maybe you can make up a challenge. Comment it down below and you will be automatically entered into the giveaway. And if you want an extra entry, go ahead and follow me on my new makeup Instagram page. I'll leave the little handle right here, and leave a little heart emoji on the picture of this look. This look goes up the same time this video goes up, so it should be there. Ways to get disqualified are commenting down below about the giveaways. So the reason that I don't want any comments anywhere, not here, not on Instagram or anywhere, about the giveaway is because I really want my giveaways to go to people that are actually here watching me and supporting me. So don't say anything about the giveaway or you will be disqualified. And then secondly, don't message me, comment, or anything like that asking me if you can win. That'll automatically get you disqualified. But that is it, you guys. I hope that you're excited, but for now, let's get back into the makeup. And we're going to go ahead and pop in a little bit of this little darker shimmer right here. So I'm just going to go in and take like something like this. It's still fluffy, but it's kind of flat and pinched. I don't know if you can see that. So we're going to go right into that shimmer shade just like this. It does look very eyeshadowy, so hopefully it's going to give me a little bit of glitter. I just want a little something because I want to overlap with actual glitter. So then I'm also going to go in with that Ulta Beauty glitter. Again, I'm going in with the pink one just because my look is pink, but we will try the other colors, guys. And I'm just going to go in and kind of dab on just a little bit of glitter right here. Just so, again, it looks like it's gradiating into, I hope I said that right, into the pinky color. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then finish the rest of my eyes, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I went ahead and I did my mascara. I did pop the smallest amount of this lightning color just on my brow bone highlight. I didn't do a lot because I feel like I didn't need it. But we're going to go back in with the Skyline color, which was our original transition shade. And I'm just going to take that on a small definer brush. And we're just going to use it to really smoke out the bottom lash line. So up next we're going to go in with the pinky flash color, or pink flash color. I just made up a new name for it. And then we're also going to dip into the Strawberry Moon color, which is the darker one. So then I'm going to go into the Storm Cloud color, which is the darker one. And my little blending brush is a little bit at an angle. So I'm going to actually pick that up with the highest point and try to keep that color closest to the lash line. So just to go in with a little bit of a pop at the bottom, I think I'm going to go and dip into these two shades, which are the colors Blue Sky and Haze. And I'm actually going to put that on my waterline. Just like that. So that's just going to give it a little something down at the bottom. I just honestly wanted to use some of that blue. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to go back in with that lightning color. And then I'm just going to pop that here. Okay guys, so moving on with the lips. So let me show you the component that the liquid lips come in. So this is the component the liquid lip comes in. It has like a little bit of a diamond here at the top. Super pretty and gorgeous. This one is the color Dreamsicle, and then this one is the color Daydream. So those are the liquid lips, and the swatches are right here. So again, Dreamsicle and Daydream. And so then you have the lip gloss tubes. These ones are a little bit thicker. They are still super cute, still have the little ombre effect where you can still see the color down at the bottom, and then you have the little stone situation right here in the top. So then these are the gloss swatches. So this is the color Enchantment, and then this one is the color Dreamy, this pinky one. So these three actually came in the set with the palette. And this one is part of a different collection, but I did want to give it a try. Okay guys, so for the, am I orange? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. So I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Lippy Pencil. This one is in the color Love Bug. And I'm going to line my lips with this, and then I'm going to go in with the Daydream Liquid Lip, and then we will see if we're going to top it with the gloss. I'm not sure yet. Okay guys, so that's a little too light for me, so I'm going to go in with a darker lip liner. I'm going to go in with the color Hoopty, and this one is a lot darker. Okay guys, so before I try to put a gloss over it, I wanted to show you what it looked like completely matted down. It is very comfortable and the formula feels really good. I do think it's a little too light for me for my liking. I wish I would have gone in with like a really dark lip liner first and then gone over, but that is my mistake. The lip gloss, the liquid lip is really pigmented and really nice and really comfortable. So now we're going to try to go in and top this with a lip gloss. Okay, you guys, so that is everything. I went ahead and I popped on the gloss. That was the color Dreamy, which was a little pinky gloss. I really like it and it feels really good. If you wanted to see the colors matted down a lot more, you can see they still have a tiny bit of a shine, but nothing super dramatic. It's pretty matted down, but it's not like completely flat matte, if that makes sense. But overall, you guys, if you guys haven't given Manny's brand a try, give them a try. I would say the only color that I was like a little struggling with was this one, which is the one that I put here. And it wasn't so much a struggle, it's just a little bit dry. I don't know exactly what the formula is supposed to be, but you can kind of see it's a little bit, I don't know, I guess chunky, you could say. But once you blend it on, I mean, it's fine. I love the rest of the palette though. The rest of the palette seems to be pretty darn pigmented. We didn't go into this color here. This is the color Sunrise. And then we didn't go into that gold color. This one right here. Let me try to... I mean, the rest of the palette is like super buttery and pigmented though. So I think it's worth it. As far as the lip products, I really do like them. Am I orange? But yeah, guys, I think that is everything. I would definitely say if you haven't given his brand a try, give it a try. I don't know. I don't want to say like I'm shocked, but you know when you really don't know what to expect? Like, I haven't really seen any kind of reviews or anything really on it. Again, I just saw it and I was like, ooh, I want it. I think maybe because of past drama, I just didn't want to watch certain things. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios!